We all know that speaking English daily is important, but sometimes it can feel hard to even start. You might think, what should I talk about today? That's exactly why we've designed the 30 Days Self-Speaking English Challenge. In this challenge, we give you a simple, relatable situation from your everyday life, along with a way to describe it while doing that activity. This approach helps you learn easy, everyday vocabulary, and gradually get used to speaking English naturally. So, without further delay, let's move on to another everyday moment that you can describe while doing it. Day 2, my tea making routine. Every morning, I go to the kitchen and decide whether I want tea or coffee. Today, it's tea. I grab the kettle and fill it to the brim with fresh water. I check the stove to make sure it's spotless and switch it on. The gentle sound of the boiling water always wakes me up a little. While the water heats, I take a teapot or a cup and put in tea leaves. I usually measure about 1 teaspoon, sometimes a little extra if I feel sleepy. I grab a small spoon and stir it gently, letting the aroma start to release. Next, I add a little sugar or maybe honey, depending on my mood. I also pour some milk if I want it creamy. Watching the milk swirl and blend into the tea is oddly satisfying and soothing. Once the water boils, I pour it slowly over the tea leaves. There's a small steam cloud, and the fragrance fills the kitchen. I let it steep for a few minutes, while I clean the counter, or put away dishes from last night. Then I take a moment to stir the tea again, and taste it carefully. Sometimes it's strong, almost too bitter, sometimes too weak, so I adjust with a bit more milk or sugar. While sipping, I feel the warmth spreading and a little more alert. I usually stand by the window while drinking, watching the street or the garden. Sometimes I notice the neighbors, cars passing, or birds chirping. It's a small, quiet moment before the day gets busy. Finally, I finish the last sip, wash my cup and spoon, and put everything back. Making tea takes just a few minutes, but it's a tiny ritual that makes me feel prepared and a little more organized for the day ahead.